Today's home workout with your qualified trainer, Wyndham-Read, is my chair workout. So this is a 10-minute seated routine that I've designed to help anyone who's looking to reduce excess belly fat. Now by this, I mean visceral belly fat, and we are doing this for health and not to look a certain way. So how it's going to work, it's very much cardio. I'm going to get your heart rate up, plus we're really strengthening through your abs and conditioning your core, and we're doing it all seated. So it's great if someone's got limited mobility, or if you're recovering from an injury, or you simply want to do a seated workout. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with a quick warm-up. So just simply follow along. First one, just give me 10 of these arm swings and make sure you're sitting nice and tall. Just swing backwards and forwards with the arms. And now from there, we're going to do 10 elbow bends and knee lifts. And this is just going to help to prepare your body for the workout ahead. It's also really good to help mobilize through your joints. And now just give me 10 of these rotations. Just go from one side to the other, and this will just really help to increase your core body temperature. So we are now ready for your workout, and I'm going to show you a preview of the first move. So just watch. The first one, we're just doing these power punches from one side to the other and tapping that foot out. So if you get ready, come into position. We're going to start now. So we're doing this for a duration of 45 seconds. You can see we've got the countdown clock for your 10-minute workout on the right. So with this, just really put some power behind each of those punches and tap that foot out. So it's a really lovely dynamic move we're starting with here. And how this is going to help to reduce that visceral belly fat is we're increasing your calorie burn here, because we're doing this really what I refer to as a multi-compound move. So we're working multiple muscle groups, multiple joints, and also here it's really lovely to work through the waist with doing those cardio ab punches. All right, keeping that going all the way to the arrow reaches at the top. So well done. That is the first exercise done. Just swing out those arms. Just have that as a little bit of your recovery. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. So you can see the next move coming up. We're going to be doing these seated ab crunches. Take your arms up, both arms up, and now draw that knee up as you draw both those arms down. Now what's important is really focus on keeping your back nice and straight for me, and really work through those tummy muscles. And you can do that by really, every time you lift that knee up, really pull those tummy muscles in nice and tight. So what we're doing here now, we're really conditioning through your core. We're really working deep through those abdominal muscles. All right, doing really well. Again, sit nice and tall. And it's really good to focus your mind on exactly what you're doing. Think about, kind of highlight the areas in your body that you're conditioning. You're strengthening the arms, the abs. You're also working through the legs here with this one. All right, well done. So now again, you've just got 15 seconds recovery. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and you can see the next move coming up. So this one, we're just going to imagine we're swimming with the arms, and we're going to tap the foot out in front. So big, deep arms, and make that move as big as you can. All right, that's good. And just think now, think with me here, how many different joints you're working. You're working your shoulder joint, you're working your elbow joint, you're working your knee joint, as well as the ankle joint. So here is another multi-compound move. And this is where it's great. You know, we don't always have to do standing workouts. Seated workouts are a great way to really just get healthy and fit. We can do them even if we're sat in the office, or if we've got limited mobility or recovering from an injury. All right, that's good. Keeping that going all the way to the arrow reaches the top. Doing really well. And just release those arms. Take that deep breath in, deep breath out, and we'll have a look at the next move coming up. So this one, we're just going to simply pretend that we're skipping. So pick up your invisible skipping rope and just give me those big, powerful arms, and you can just lift the leg at the same time. So this one here, because we're making those arm moves so big and dynamic, we're taking them above heart level. This is how we're going to really condition your heart and make your heart stronger. And if you want to, you can speed this move up. The great thing is with all these exercises, work to the intensity that suits you. So if you want to go slower, go slower. If you want to go faster, just simply increase the speed. And as I said at the beginning of the video, we're doing this for health. This isn't about looking a certain way. And these moves, by taking them bigger and deeper, is how we're going to really help to reduce that visceral belly fat, because we're increasing the heart rate, increasing your calorie burn. All right, that's good. And just release. All right, and just shake out those arms. And we'll have a look at the next move coming up. So this one, we're going to do double punches from one side to the other and then do waist twists. So double punches for 4, and now arms bent and just twist, rotate from one side to the other for 4, and just repeat that sequence. So it's 4 of these, and then give me 4, 3, 2 and 1. Back to those twists. Keep that upper body nice and straight. And as I said, focus that mind and muscle connection. Picture where you're working. Highlight those muscles through the waist. That's where you're working right now. Keeping that strong. And remember, all this here we're doing right now, everything we're doing is about making you fitter and stronger. All right, well done. Last little bit coming up on this move. And okay, now just release those arms. So take a deep breath in, deep breath out. So we are now halfway through the workout, and what we're going to do is we're going to repeat those 5 moves so we know what's coming up. Let's go straight into those power punches for me now. Tap that foot out. All right, that's good. Keeping that focus. We're here to get results. We're getting fitter and stronger, and this workout is going to fly by. We've just got 4 moves left after this, so let's keep focused and just put power behind every single one of those punches. Tap that foot out. We want to make these moves as big and dynamic as we can. Keeping that going, doing really well. Last little bit. Let's keep going until that arrow reaches the top. Last little bit coming up. Keeping those punches nice and strong. And well done. All right, just shake out those arms, deep breath in, deep breath out. We'll have a look at your next move coming up that you'll be familiar with. We're going to go straight back to doing those seated ab crunches. So we'll get ready, and with this one, we're going to take both those arms directly up. So arms up, and draw those arms down as you lift that knee up. So remember, sit nice and tall for me, and while you're doing this, really pull that belly button in as tight to the spine as you can. And keep thinking of all the benefits. We're getting fitter and getting stronger, doing really well. And if you are on social media, do come and find me on Facebook and let me know how you're getting on. We've also got a really lovely community of Lucy Squad that are there just to support each other on our health journeys. All right, that's good. Draw that knee up, draw those arms down, keep that upper body nice and straight, keep those tummy muscles pulled in tight. Last little bit, doing really well. Okay, and just release those arms, deep breath in, deep breath out. Let's just have a look at your next move coming up. So we're going back to those swimming arms and just that toe tap. So let's get ready, come into position, and now just take those arms out in front and make that move as big and dynamic as you can. Feel that working through the shoulders, feel it working through your arms, through your back. Also feel your abdominals engaged. Step that foot out in front. And the great thing is, this seated workout is really safe to do, so you can do this daily. It's a really lovely way just to also mobilize through your joints, increase your energy levels, lift your mood, and make you feel good. All right, that's good. Keeping that going all the way to the arrow reaches the top. Nice control, that's good. Keep that focused. And last few. And well done. Just release those arms. Deep breath in, deep breath out. So let's just have a look at your next move coming up. We're going to go back to that skipping. So with this one, again, pick up your invisible skipping rope and let's just have some fun with this. You know, exercise can be fun. It's simply about moving your body, and that's my job as your qualified trainer. I've been teaching for over 25 years. I want to make fitness fun for everyone, so it becomes a habit, it's doable. And the idea is with fitness, it's about our health. And definitely also, if you're on Instagram, come and find me, let me know how you're getting on with your training and your workouts. All right, let's keep going. We've nearly finished today's workout. Keep focused, that's good. Keep that upper body nice and straight for me. Make those circles nice and big with your arms, because remember, that's how we're going to really condition and strengthen through your heart. Draw those knees up, doing really well. And then just release, swing out those arms. So your final move coming up, we're going to go back to doing those cardio abs. So we're doing those double punches and then those rotations. So let's get ready. Let's go for gold. Double punches. Give me 4, 3, 2 and 1. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Twist. Double punches. That's good. So just keep up that sequence and really now have that mind and muscle connection. Picture, visualize where you're working, where you can feel those muscles. We're working the internal and external obliques through your waist. You're also really working that deepest core muscle, the transverse abdominis. So let's keep going. And because we're doing them fast and putting power behind them, we're increasing your heart health as well as increasing your metabolism. And the great thing is your metabolic rate will stay raised for hours after doing this workout as well. All right, well done. So what I want you to do is just still keep moving. We're going to keep moving until we've completed our full 10 minutes with our countdown clock on the right. And just swing through with that arms from side to side. So what I want to do now is slowly bring your heart rate back down. So what we're going to do is just swing through with those arms. We're also going to finish off on doing some stretches through the upper body as well. And if you really are struggling with healthy weight loss, I have got lots, just follow along with these stretches, lots of blogs that you can click on at the end of the video with free recipes, there's motivation, lots of tips, and just bring those arms in front, feel a lovely stretch through your upper back. That's good. And then just take that arm up, just feel a stretch down the side. And if you've liked the video, definitely give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how you're getting on with your training. And please do share this video if you found it helpful. So well done, there is your high five. And I have put a playlist here for you with more of my seated limited mobility workouts. But really well done for today. Remember, what you and I have done just now is we've invested in your future health. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.